pressure 29.8. The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern St. Tammany Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southern Hancock County in southern Mississippi, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Stennis Space Center, or 10 miles east of Slidell, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burlington, Stennis Space Center, and Shoreline Park. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 272 and 273. Interstate 10 in Mississippi between mile markers 1 and 8. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: St. Tammany, Louisiana, and Hancock, Mississippi. Here is the tropical weather outlook.
No. I've been through worse, okay? Don't worry, I've been through worse.